What's up, everybody? This your boy Eric from UCK Computer Solutions. So this is my continuous coverage with the Essential Phone in 2018. Let's talk about the cameras. I read a lot of forums, right? And a lot of people were saying in the forums that the Essential cameras are very bad. Even the front-facing camera is bad. So today, guys, I'm going to show you real-world use of the Essential Phone cameras. Now, this device has a 13 megapixel cameras on the rear. We got a black and white sensor and a color sensor, and an 8 megapixel camera on the front. This device can shoot in 4K, 1080p 60, and 1080p 30, right? I'm going to use the Camera Stock app when I'm doing this video, right? So sit back and relax and get your popcorn ready and follow me on this journey. Let's go. Alright guys, so this is low light video on the Essential Phone, right? And the only light that I have in this room right now is the light that's coming out of the window, sunlight. So I got all the lights on, and the only little light that I have right now in this room is the light that's coming from the window. So you can get a gist on how the low light is. Also, you can get a gist on how the audio is on the Essential Phone. So hopefully you enjoyed this video. This is Eric from UCK Computer Solutions. Leave your comments down below. Let me know what you think about the Essential Phone in all its glory. See you guys on the next video. Peace.